To run this program, load the necessary board manager and libraries as given in the instruction manual. Install the COM port USB driver. For more details, follow the driver installation manual. Initialize the required variables and I/O interface. Connect the I/O interface as shown in the connection diagram. Compile and run the program. Understanding each instruction, pause the video and read the comments. Follow the methods as shown in the video to observe the output. Open the serial monitor for checking the result. Here you can see the 4 to 20 mA variation on the serial monitor, controlled by the 4 to 20 mA generator device. You can download this code by clicking the above GitHub link.